Welcome back to another video on CSS Grid. Today we are going to see that you can actually use the area you define in your grid templates as grid row start, grid row end, and columns the same. And you'll see it's really effective if you want to target specific areas. And it's also super cool if you want to cover multiple different areas. So first of all, I want you to look a little bit closer at here we have the lines, but I'm gonna display the different areas. So you can see on top we have navigations, then we have header, the main section, section 2, and the footer on the bottom, sorry. And if we go to the code, something you can do is define here on the grid row start, for instance. So it's the property that defines at what row height we start. You can say, for instance, it starts at header start, and you'll see that our items has the same row start as the header area. Here we can use, for instance, let's say section start. It doesn't really matter, and you'll see that this now goes to the beginning of that section. We can also use end, and now it covers the section. It works just the same for columns. So here, if I say I want main start, it will start on the main. And here I can use, for instance, section end. And here, if I redisplay everything, it will just finish on the column, the same column as the section end area. So this is going to be super useful for the next features that I'm going to show you, because as you can see, we can now cover stuff from different areas, and we're going to use this pretty extensively later on. All right, see you there. Cheers.